Today we're going to discuss on how to delete files on three different ways. Option 1. You have to select the file, right-click and delete. Just do the same for the other files you want to delete. Just simply right-click and choose delete. Now all your files are deleted and stored in the recycle bin. Option 2. Select the files, press delete key on your keyboard. Option 3. One of the easiest way to remove your files is to drag it to the recycle bin. Option 1. Option 2. Option 3.